guys, today we will learn to make this beautiful pattern. I have done this in two color, red and white. You can take as per your choice. So let's start making it. Okay, so for this first we'll make a magic circle and we'll make one slip knot in the magic circle, one slip knot, and from here we're going to give 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now we are going to make 15 double crochet in this magic ring. Including this chain it will become 16. Okay, so we have to make 15 because chain work we have already done. So now I'm going to make 16 double crochet. So I'll see you after finishing 16 double crochet. So we have done 15 double crochet and now we are going to close this magic ring, and in the very first chain I'm going to make one slip stitch. Okay, and from here I'm going to make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now in the same I'll make 5 chains, and in the same I'll make one double crochet, same. Okay, now I'm going to skip one chain, this one, and I'm going to work in the next chain. Okay, skip one, and here I'm going to make one double crochet, 2 chains and one more double crochet in the same. Okay, so we have to do it like this. So total there will be 8 V. Okay, so we have done these V 8. Okay, now in this one I'm going to give one slip stitch, and now I'm going to make 3 chains here, 1, 2, 3, and in this chain space I'm going to make one double crochet after giving 3 chains, and I'm going to give 2 more chains, and again I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the same chain space. Okay, so now in total we are making 4 double crochet along with 2 chains. See, like in this V shape we have to make 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the same chain space, and we are going to give 2 chains here, 1, 2, and again I am going to give 2 more double crochet in the same space, 1 and 2. Okay, so like this I am going to finish this round and see you at the end. Okay, so I have finished this round. Now I am going to make one slip stitch here, and from here I am going to change my color. Okay, so I am using this white and red. So now from here I am going to change the color white. Okay, so now I am going to make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and I am going to make double crochet 1 and 2 along with 2 chains, and now in the same space I am going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and one more 3. Now I am going to cut this red yarn and I'm going to lock it along with the white yarn so it won't come out later. Now skipping this, working in these V-shaped chain, we have to make 3 double crochet, two chains, 1 and 2, and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. So in this way I am going to finish this round. See, I have done this round. Now I am going to give one slip stitch here, okay, and now I'm going to make one slip stitch, and I'm going to start working in this chain space with one slip stitch. I'm going to make 3 chains, and now I'm going to make 3 double crochet in the same chain space, 1, 2 and 3. So in total we need 4. Okay, now making 2 chains, and again we are going to make 4 double crochet in the same space. 1 2 3 and one more 4. Now in the next one we are not going to give any chain space. We are going to make all of them double crochet. So in total we are going to make 8 double crochet in the next space here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 one more 8. So now in this round we will work like this. This one is with chain, this is without chain. In next this one will be with chain, without chain, with chain, without chain, with chain, without chain. So this will become with chain. So I'll see you after finishing this round. Okay, now I'm going to give one slip stitch here, and again I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to use red color again. I'm going to make one slip knot here. Okay, now from here I'm going to give 3 chains, and I'm going to make double crochet on these stitches, on these chains of previous double crochet. Okay, so it will be 1, including chain it will be 2, this one is 3, and I'm going to lock these loose yarn along with these stitches so it won't come out later. And now here in this gap I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and I'm going to make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the same chain space we are going to make 2 more double crochet along with the chain. 1 1 and one more 2. Okay, now I'm going to cut this white yarn. I'll take it a bit long so I can lock it, and now I'm going to make double crochet on these chains. Okay, on this previous double crochet work. 1 2 3 and one more 4. Now in the next one we are going to make double triple crochet or a yarn over 2 times, 1 2, and I'm going to make this double crochet from here. Okay, this one will be long one. 1 2 3. Okay, now in the next chain I'm going to make 1 half double crochet, and I'm going to make single crochet now. 1 2 3 4 5, one more 6. Okay, and in the last one I'm going to make half double crochet, and now I'm going to make that long double crochet, or you can say double triple crochet, or you can say yarn over 2 times, and from here I'm going to make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and again in this yarn, in this chain space we are going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. That means total 4. 1 and 2. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2, and again 1 and 2, and in the rest of them we are going to make double crochet, and again we are going to make half double crochet and single crochet. So we have to finish this round like this only. So see, I have done this round, and I'm going to make one chain here, sorry, one slip stitch, and from here I'm going to make 3 chains, and again I'm going to make double crochet in all of these stitches, and at the corner I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. So we have to finish this round like this only. We'll make double crochet in each of the previous double crochet, and in this chain space we are going to make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and now 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 2 more double crochet in this space, 1 and 2. Okay, so we have finished this. So now we have to finish it, all double crochet like this, and here we will make single crochet. Okay, see, on these single crochet, first one I have done half double crochet, and now on the single crochet we have to make single crochet only. Okay, and in the end, I mean to say the last one, we are going to make half double crochet as we have done previously, and rest of them will be double crochet. This one, all of these stitches will be single crochet, and this last one will be half double crochet, and rest all will be double crochet. So we'll finish this round and I'll see. So I have completed this. It will look something like this, and this is the slip knot which will go back. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my account. So thanks for watching. Bye bye everybody.